need no monthing. Year on to year, me I get the girl pumping. See then up when the sound start jumping, girl them up.
When it comes to mind control in the MK Ultra program, numerous methods and tactics were used to control the minds of the U.S. population. One other aspect of the MK Ultra program that many have failed to cite is the usage of food as a weapon to control the minds of the population. What one could do with a gun, the powers that be have decided they could do far more by systematically depreciating the nutritional value of our food under what is called the Codex Alimentarius Initiative.
Use diseases today to manipulate and control people, but most of the information is at Stanford University and the Hoover Institute that shows how to use food to manipulate and control populations. And then they add these things called additives, which are behavior modifiers, which were released on the Nuremberg trial to the food to help addict people and addict them to certain types of behavior and limit their range of thinking. That gets into the politics of the food industry and what it's designed to do. And most of the time, black folks think that food is innocent. But when you're under oppression, nothing is innocent. Everything is a tool to keep you oppressed. For some reason, we think that the food is innocent, but it's not. It's one of the weapons, the major weapons is used to control people and cause all these diseases, hyperactivity, tooth decay, birth defects, fibroid tumors, prostate diseases. The main thrust of the disease industry is to create diseases through food. And then we look for all of these magic solutions from the same industry, disease industry, to save us, which means we're going to get another disease, which they call side effects. So we end up going to the same person who killed us to save us. And it's
put out dozens of public documents where they're calling for an 80% world population reduction. In fact, at the Beijing Women's Conference, the World Conference, back in 1997, the head of the UN Food Program said, we will use food as a weapon against the people.
Let me assure you that absolutely nothing that I'm going to tell you is exaggerated, is interpolated, or is imagined. Everything I'm going to tell you is documented. Controls food, controls the world. Well, they said in 1962, we're going to work toward total global implementation of Codex Alimentarius on December 31st, 2009. They were sort of guidelines. Now, Codex Alimentarius Commission is administered by the World Health Organization, WHO, and the FAO, the Food and Agriculture Organization. They fund Codex and they run it at the request of the UN. So they're mommy and daddy to Codex Alimentarius. In 1994, Codex, with no notice here in this country whatsoever, declared nutrients, put on your intellectual seatbelts, declared nutrients to be toxins. They're poisons. Under Codex, every dairy cow on the planet must be treated with Monsanto's recombinant bovine growth hormone. Furthermore, under Codex, every animal used for food on the planet must be treated with subclinical antibiotics and must be treated with exogenous growth hormones. If you do the numbers in the WHO-FAO projections, the epidemiological projections, they estimate, not I, that just the vitamin and mineral guideline alone, when it goes into global implementation on December 31st, 2009, will result in a minimum of 3 billion, that's B, bad, big, billion deaths. 1 billion through simple starvation. Those folks who die are not particularly economically economically successful from the point of view of the corporations. But the next 2 billion, they will die from the preventable diseases of undernutrition. Who will live? Probably those people who are wealthy enough and powerful enough to have their own pushers of clean food and nutrients. So we need your help, because the United States leadership is what's going to literally save the population of the planet.
This is the first time in human history where we have 2 generations of people who've never had real food, who've never tasted real food. They've been socially conditioned by the food and beverage industry to the point that their taste buds have been hijacked. When their taste buds were hijacked, it occurred when they were children. Most Americans eat sugar, starch, and a fat-centered diet, which will produce death and disease every single time.
That one in St. Louis called Monsanto. Probably the most satanic corporation on earth. How you gonna make a genetic food, something that has to be made in a laboratory, and they give it to humans to eat? And then the seeds, there are no seeds. Seedless grapes, seedless watermelon, seedless oranges, seedless cucumbers. This is not from God, this is from man.
It becomes a very serious obstacle to get around, because I have to treat a patient's taste buds before I treat the real disease. See, a person who is overweight, you see all these children running around who are overweight and these adults who are overweight. Those persons are starving to death. When a person's overweight, they're literally starving to death because the body is not getting the nutrients that it needs. So what it does, it tells that person, feed me more, put more in. So this person overindulges and overeats to pacify the urge of hunger, the urge of nutrient deficiency that is going on inside of their bodies. And what happens is the body will store that garbage that they're eating as fat, and that person becomes overweight. But the reality is, when you see an overweight person, you're looking at a person who's starving to death. And most people don't understand that concept. So we really have to get behind the idea of natural foods to get away from the Codex Alimentaris initiative and agenda. Because what it's going to do, if you think you're seeing a sick nation today, you project this out about 10 to 15 more years, you're going to really see people dying of preventable diseases because they're malnourished. And not because there aren't grocery stores, not because there isn't a store to go buy things, but because what is in the food, what is inside of the food does not sustain life. And that's where really where we are now.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Simone, and I am back again, yes, with another video. Sorry for the shaky camera, y'all. Just got a new tripod and she is acting a fool. But anyways, the reason why I wanted to do this video is about this whole Popeyes craze, right? Now, you know, we need to start thinking outside of the box. Is it just me, or why does it seem like it's only my people, you know, us, that's acting crazy over this chicken sandwich? And it had me thinking, and sometimes it can make me a bit of a conspiracy theorist. So I went down this whole rabbit hole and I started researching. I started researching about food and what food can do and the triggers it could do to a certain group of people. So I found this video of this food scientist that got into the whole way they use certain chemicals to grow the corn and the things like that then becomes the feed for the chickens. And these feeds, they have these chemicals can cause various compounds within our bodies to cause infertility, to cause cancer, and various terminal diseases. Now, it made me start thinking, is it just me, But it's really just like my people that are acting crazy about these chicken. I'm not saying you ain't got other people out there lining up for the chicken, but it just seems like we are the ones that are losing our darn minds over this piece of chicken, 2 slices of bread, and a damn pickle. Like, come on. That's the same concept that Chick-fil-A has had for years. Now, where I live right now, we don't have the Popeyes chicken for me to compare it. I've had Chick-fil-A, and they're only open 6 days a week. Yet, for one thing, Chick-fil-A is able to provide all their sandwiches within 6 days. It still tastes good, and they're still able to deal with customer service. However, you have the competitor, Popeyes, who has way more establishments throughout the world, and they're running out of chicken sandwiches. They're running out of supplies. It's to the point where it's causing a pandemonium. Like, it's ridiculous of what's going on. Like, this is not making any darn sense. And I just need y'all to think outside of the box. What ingredient have they placed in this sandwich to cause this kind of chaos? I mean, think about it, y'all. A man has now lost his life, okay, over waiting in line for a chicken sandwich or cutting in line for a chicken sandwich. Either way, the cause of the death had to deal with food. Like, you got 2 people, one person going to jail, the other person dead over a damn sandwich. I mean, bread, pickles, and chicken? Really, dog? Come on, we got to do better. We got other fights out there in our community. Like I said, we have police brutality. We have chemical warfare. We have warfare with our food, with our health. There's so many other things that we have to deal with. The last thing we need to be dealing with is killing each other over some damn chicken. It's really not that serious, because what we're doing is letting the masses know whatever stereotype they had about us, oh, they was right. They was right. You can't give these N-words anything because they just gonna act a fool. You get what I'm trying to say? And then you're putting all this money into the pocket of a white corporation. It's not really owned by that black lady that they use as the face for Popeyes. And that alone would make me feel insulted, that the fact that they put a black woman out there, throw some southern a southern accent in front of her, and boom, we supposed to just flock to her chain and give her all our money? Come on now. Come on now. Come on now, y'all. There's too many small black-owned restaurants that have really good food that we could be supporting and building up, instead of building up a corporation that's, for all we know, who knows what they're putting in that damn chicken. I'm just telling y'all, I'm going to show y'all some clips of some videos about what is being done to the food, and y'all need to start thinking, why is this chicken got us going so crazy? So anyways, y'all, I just want to wish y'all the best. Be smart, choose wisely, and don't act a fool out there over some chicken. Like I said, love you. Hit me up in the comment section down below. You guys can like, share this video, and don't forget to hit the don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can keep up to all the latest videos that I post, as well as make sure you comment down below. Tell me how you feel. Do you feel like I'm reaching? Do you feel like I'm hitting the nail on the buzzer, like something's in the buttermilk ain't right? Or do you agree with me? Either way, I like to hear what you have to say. Don't be afraid. My platform is here for everyone to express themselves. We don't always have to agree to disagree, but let me tell you something. If you come in my comment and show your behind, I am going to block you. Anyways, wishing you guys all the best.
I just sent my little niggas to the SBE to the Popeyes, right? Nigga waited in the line for 49 minutes and 53 seconds for this Popeyes film. This bitch is not all that. And I'm mad. Because I've been bucked up about this bitch. This bitch is regular.